It's your boy Gebel. Today I'm standing here with my KTM 250 EXC 2014. I hate when my bike looks like shit. So we're gonna transform this bike into a supermoto. Some of the stuff we're gonna do is add new plastics, add a premium graphics kit, some supermoto rims, clean up the exhaust, get a custom seat cover, you know, all that good stuff. So let's just start with removing the plastics right here and let's start rebuilding the bike. My back hurts, oh my god. Don't buy a motorcycle, it's not worth it, the constant pain. Anyways, we got the frame now. I'm gonna clean this up, make it look good again. Something that's really important before installing your graphics kit is to clean the plastics with something like brake clean, because the plastics, when they're brand new, they have this coating on top which makes it easier for the graphics kit to start peeling off. So I sprayed the brake clean on, then I take a piece of paper and I just scrub it like this, so the graphics kit will stick a lot easier. So that's my recommendation, what to do before installing your graphics kit. Now let's do it to the rest of the plastics.